Unit 3. Handling Examinations. Introduction. Most students get so stressed up whenever exam is approaching. The reason why they get so stressed up is because they have not taken the pain to learn and practice the steps to take in preparing for examinations. This is exactly what this unit will help you achieve. Welcome to MyDan GST NOUN, your one-stop channel for mastering GST and building real knowledge that works. Whether you're a noun student, from another university, a lecturer, or just someone hungry to learn, this is for you. Make subscribe. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this unit, you will be able to identify the steps to take when preparing for an examination. Demonstrate the skills in handling examinations. Main content. Preparing for an exam. You must prepare for examination well ahead of time to prevent it from being too stressful and time-consuming. Good and early preparation can help to build your self-confidence. Ways of ensuring readiness for exam are: 1. Start studying early. There is no magic on having good grades. If you want to have good grade in your exam, begin to study course materials early. The volume of work and the difficulty level of the course should help you to determine how early to start serious studying. You need also to understand your rate of assimilation. It is important to start your study early. Ensure that you get a full night's sleep before the exam. Your brain needs time to subconsciously digest all you have read. You are advised to start your study early to avoid staying up all night. Avoid cramming. 2. Sort out your subject material. Before you begin to review a subject, first get all materials ready. Check to ensure that you have all the handouts or the course materials for that subject. Put your notes in order. Also check your course outline or subject guide and make sure you cover your course outline. You can enrich your notes with summaries from textbook chapters. Putting all your materials together and in order makes it easier for you to find what you need while you're restudying. Reading your notes before exams will help to refresh your memory of what you have been taught. And other materials you have read when you read your notes, check out for any vital missing information and fill up the gap. This you can do by borrowing someone else's notes. Good notes can make all the difference when studying for exams. Concepts you may not understand on your own when reading a textbook are well explained by your lecturers in their notes, and important information are highlighted and emphasized by your lecturers during lectures. Read your note over and over. 3. Find out about the exam. Try to find out from your lecturers the areas to cover for your exams. Pay attention during exam revision by your lecturers, as clues to areas of concentration can be released to students consciously or unconsciously. You may also want to know how the exam will be graded and whether it will be multiple choice questions or essays. Don't hesitate to talk to your student council if you're feeling really stressed. 4. Review past exam papers. Get old exam papers on a subject and test yourself. Familiarize yourself with the structure and format. Practice answering the questions within the specified time limits. 5. Know exam venue and time. You should make sure you know the venue and time for your exam. Always check your exam timetable for details. Find out the venue and check how long it will take you to get there. You must not arrive late to your examination venue, so practice waking up early or set an alarm clock. 6. Don't panic. You need to keep your cool. Early preparation, as earlier discussed, will help to build your self-confidence and not panic. In addition to this, don't talk too much to other students before your exam. Ensure that you take a light and decent breakfast. 7. Read all of the instructions carefully. Scan through the whole exam paper and note the number of pages. Check how much each question is worth in terms of marks. Consider spending more time on questions with weightier marks. Determine which question to answer first. Start with questions you can best answer to boost your confidence. Determine how much time you will spend on each question and section. Start thinking about your answers. 8. Interpret your questions well. Be careful in decoding your questions. Take cognizance of the different components of the questions. 9. Review your answers. You should try to finish your exam before time and give room for review of your answers. It is better to review all answers but start with the questions you're least confident about. Ensure you answer all your questions and their different parts and sections, if any. Self-assessment exercise. Mention 5 ways of ensuring readiness for examination. Let have your feedback on the comment section. Conclusion. Generally, early preparation gives you sufficient time to learn your course content and build self-confidence. You should not pile up your work until the last minute so that you will not be so stressed that you get confused, disorganized, and even suffer a mental breakdown. Any 5 of the following. A. Start studying early. B. Early sorting of your subject materials. C. Knowing your examination venue before exam date. D. knowledge about the examination, E. Reviewing of past questions, F. Being composed, G. Wise use of reading time, H. Accurate interpretation of questions, I. Reviewing of answers. Hit subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends, classmates, and academic groups. Together, let's make learning simple, fun, and rewarding.